Hey folks, welcome back to Modern Gadget Guy, where we cut through the hype and give you real-world reviews of the smartest car tech out there. Today, we're diving into something that's been getting a lot of attention lately in the dashcam world, the VIOFO A229 Pro. It's a dual-channel dashcam system featuring 4K front recording, HDR support, and the brand new Sony STARVIS 2 sensors. That's the IMX7.8 up front and the IMX675 in the rear. It's all about maximum clarity, even in the worst lighting conditions. But is the A229 Pro really worth its premium price? And does that fancy STARVIS 2 tech live up to the hype? Let's find out. What's in the box? First things first, here's what you get. The main camera unit with the front-facing lens, a separate rear camera, power cable and car charger, mounting brackets with adhesive, USB-C data cable, pry tool, cable clips, and a detailed manual. You'll need to pick up a microSD card separately, and VIOFO recommends a high-endurance card, especially if you're planning to use parking mode frequently. Everything out of the box feels solid, nothing flimsy, nothing cheap. The A229 Pro keeps that stealthy, low-profile design VIOFO is known for, and that's always a good thing. Setup and installation. Installation is straightforward for anyone who's even mildly tech-savvy. Mounting the front cam behind your rearview mirror is easy, and the included tools help with tucking away cables for a clean install. The rear camera cable is long enough for most vehicles, even larger SUVs. Pairing with the VIOFO mobile app is done via dual-band Wi-Fi, and we're talking 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, so the file transfers are quick and live previews are smooth. Navigation through the app is responsive, and you can tweak settings like bitrate, HDR toggle, microphone, GPS, and more right from your phone. Video quality. Front camera, 4K plus HDR. Here's where the A229 Pro really flexes. The front camera uses the Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor and records in stunning 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. But what sets this camera apart isn't just the resolution. It's the HDR and low-light clarity. During the day, everything is razor sharp. You can read license plates from a distance, pick up fine details like road textures and signs, and the wide 140-degree field of view covers a lot of ground without distortion. At night, the performance is even more impressive. Thanks to the larger pixel size of STARVIS 2 and improved dynamic range, headlights don't blow out the image, and dark scenes retain detail, even in poorly lit areas. Honestly, this is one of the best night modes we've tested in a dashcam, hands down. Rear camera performance. The rear cam uses the IMX675 sensor, which isn't quite 4K, but still delivers 2K QHD 2560 by 1440 resolution with excellent sharpness and contrast. It's perfect for keeping an eye on tailgaters, backing into parking spots, or documenting rear-end incidents. Like the front cam, the rear also benefits from STARVIS 2's low-light magic, so even at night, you get usable detailed footage. And both cameras work simultaneously, without compromising quality, thanks to the A229 Pro's high-efficiency processor and codec. Audio and GPS. Audio recording is crisp and clear, and the built-in mic does a good job of balancing cabin noise and external sounds. You also get GPS tracking, so you can stamp your speed and location data on each clip. Helpful if you're ever in an accident or need to provide evidence. App and Wi-Fi performance. Let's talk app performance. The VIOFO app is clean, intuitive, and actually works, which, let's be honest, isn't always a given with dash cams. Connecting over 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can stream live views from both cams, change settings quickly, lock and download footage, format your SD card on the go. And the interface doesn't lag or crash, a big plus for anyone who's dealt with buggy camera apps before. Storage and parking mode. The A229 Pro supports microSD cards up to 512 GB, which you'll need if you're recording 4K footage all day. Loop recording means old files get overwritten unless they're locked. And that's where the G sensor comes in. It automatically locks footage when it detects a collision or sudden movement. With the optional hardwire kit, you also unlock parking mode, which includes buffered motion detection, records 15 seconds before and after movement, impact detection, and time-lapse recording. This setup makes it a fantastic choice for people who park on the street or want 24/7 vehicle protection. What we loved. All right, let's talk positives. Outstanding 4K front recording with HDR. Dual STARVIS, 2 sensors. BIOFO excellent day and night clarity. Reliable app with fast Wi-Fi transfers. Solid build quality and clean design. Parking mode with buffered recording. Supports high-capacity SD cards. Voice alerts and status LEDs. Helpful without being distracting. If video quality is your top priority, especially at night, this camera really delivers. What could be better? No product is perfect, so here are a few downsides. No interior-facing camera, not ideal for rideshare drivers. Rear camera is 2K, not 4K, though still excellent quality. Hardwire kit sold separately, needed for full parking mode. No cloud backup or remote viewing, footage lives on the SD card only. Also, while the app is smooth, initial pairing can be slightly finicky depending on your phone's settings. Nothing major, but worth noting. Who is this for? The VIOFO A229 Pro is perfect for daily drivers and commuters who want the best video quality, car enthusiasts and tech-savvy users who want full control via app, fleet or business vehicles that need reliable dual-channel recording, anyone who drives at night and needs superb low-light clarity. It's not designed for rideshare use since there's no interior camera, but for everything else, this is about as high-end as it gets without breaking into commercial surveillance territory. Final verdict. So, what's the bottom line? The VIOFO A229 Pro is easily one of the best dual dash cams on the market right now, thanks to its 4K HDR front cam, dual STARVIS 2 sensors, and strong low-light performance. It's premium, but the quality justifies the price. We're giving it a strong 9.3 out of 10. If you're looking for professional-grade clarity, rock-solid reliability, and a smooth mobile experience, the A229 Pro should be at the top of your list. Want to see more or grab one for your car? Click the Amazon link in the description to check out current pricing and specs. Thanks for tuning in to Modern Gadget Guy. If this review helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns, and hit that bell so you never miss a drop. Until next time, drive safe, stay sharp, and stay gadget ready.